for that, so I thought let's do it.
So re-entered Tesla here at the 1574. Lots of volume.
Looking strong.
This is a video. It's training, but it's live. On re-entering on a pullback and an upward move. All right, puppy. Just insane volume right here.
Yeah, it is. It has no choice.
The 22nd, they got earnings coming out with all their vehicle reports and everything for the auto, you know. And somebody probably leaked some numbers and then probably blew it out. You know, that would never happen, right? No one would ever leak something. Why would people be buying millions of shares right now, right?
Exactly.
Stops at 1574, 73, 1573. So let's go here. Wonder what propelled all this to go up. I'd like to be on those news desks or where they get this information. Because I don't really see it.
Exactly. Amazon may launch here too, buddy.
I don't see it on the feed I pay $1 bazillion for a month, and I don't even see it on that. You know, it's supposed to be, oh, you get this blue.
All the early stuff.
Oh, yeah, whatever. I never see it. You know? If I traded this news thing, it would just be like... Tesla enters the SPY. That's it. That's it. Oh, if Tesla enters the SPY. Okay, well, that's a big if. Doesn't mean it did. They got to wait for this quarter to come out, you know?
Totally.
So it's tomorrow the 22nd, so it's got 2 more days.
Yeah, it's Wednesday. Comes out Wednesday. Tomorrow's the 21st. It's trying. It hasn't pulled back on the previous candle, but it's 50-50. Let's see if it makes it.
It looks like it's going to launch just because the volume is so big.
Yeah, it's...
this is 500,000. I mean, this is more volume than it did on the downward move today. You know?
This is its first real pullback, so...
Previous yesterday. There it is right there. Bounced off of that.
Yeah, great question. I own Ralph Lauren, part of the basket of epicenter names that I own. I wouldn't buy it for the dividend. I think the dividend's around 360. It could be down that much in one day.
You still got a lot of green volume coming in.
Obviously has a lot of exposure to big box retailers.
Yeah, it's just a deep pullback before it launches hard again.
548,000. Let's see what the 15 looks like here. It's holding. That's a nice candle upward. You know.
Yeah.
We break up through the right at that 76 again. We'll be good.
Gets through this 1580. I bet it goes to 16 before it stops.
When this thing was what was it? What's the daily look like? Oh gosh, this because it's got that same look as Amazon does, where it's 50% of that upward move of that huge candle. You know.
Yep. Here we go. See what this next one does. Here we are. Green. There we go. See if it'll blow through 1580. That's it.
I need $3 more here.
Next stop, 1600.
Dude, this thing moves quick. Super fast. Freaking premium's just insane. It's already went up like $40 from last week. It's because of earnings, you know?
Yep. See if it can make it here.
Nice to see this 1580 again. That'd be nice. You know?
I got a feeling it does 1600 here. 1 o'clock pop, you know?
Some trends are so influential, they can move entire sectors of the market. Take the price of oil. It has the potential to impact the performance of all energy companies.
Such a huge move now. That's massive. You know?
Energy Sector Spider ETF offers the diversification of the entire energy sector.
Yeah, it's a big move up to hold, but I think it's got it.
The Energy Sector Spider.
See it blow up 1570 there. 10 away.
Consider the fund's investment objectives, risks, charges, and expenses. Go to sectorspiders.com for prospectus containing this information. Read it carefully.
I'm coming up. I didn't expect to hear you come back today. Figured you were drugged.
I got 30 minutes before I drive out, so.
That's right.
Gotta
I like
come take a
time
look.
management.
Yes.
It's so important in life. You know?
Oh, dude, it's the things you miss too in Amazon and Tesla. Here we go, Daryl. Boom. Watch this
Yeah.
thing blast. Look at that.
Yeah, I mean, 1580 is really where we need to blow through, and we're good.
I'm going to take profit at 1580 and then see where it goes.
Yeah, I only
I
got
think it
3.
goes 16.
I got 3 little guys in here, but hey.
I've only got 2.
The 3, I mean, you know, you make an extra $1,000, it's pretty good.
It's real good.
Man, we get through this 1580 and we're going to be sitting high loca.
Oh, yeah. If it goes through 1580, it's going to 16. Here we go. The volume is back. Candle just blew up. There's 1580. That's a lot of money, my friend.
I'm just trying to figure out, like, what happened. There's no news. There's no news on it. It just makes me wonder about people, like, not that I'm really, okay, Tesla shares are higher ahead of company's earnings report. Investors, this was just released. Okay, speculate that this will definitely be included in the S&P 500. Just was announced. Just announced 13 minutes ago that they're going to add it to the S&P 500 for sure.
There you go. That's what it was.
That's what it is. It was going to be added because their earnings are going to be stellar. Not that this wasn't new. This is old news, but they just reiterated it. You know, that was out 14 minutes ago. Well, 8.5 minutes ago, and that's really where this took off. You know.
Mm-hmm. See if it can break this 1580. Next stop 1600 if it gets through it. I bet you. We'll see it right here, 1 o'clock pop.
Yeah, the spy could use a little help, you know. Add this added to the spy.
Mm-hmm.
You know.
Totally. Here we
Holy
go.
crap.
Here we go. Amazon's going to launch too. This is why we trade it right here.
This is it. This is money. 3 contracts, $3,400, guys.
Yep.
$3,400.
It's not done yet either. Oh, this thing's going 1,600 watch.
There's 4,000. I'm getting out, guys. Sorry, but that's enough for me. Closing it out, $4,000 trade.
Yeah, that was 2,800 for me, and what we in that trade 5 minutes.
Yep. We got you had 2 contracts, I had 3.
Yep.
So, man, nice trading with you for the last 8 minutes. Thank you, sir.
You too, buddy. This is the way to do it.
I'm going to stop this recording.